If you want to get into data engineering, data science, machine learning, and full stack development, then one skill that you absolutely need to learn or know is Python. Python is key, not the snake, but the programming languages. And chances are, if you clicked on this video, then you probably know what Python, the programming language, is, or trying to build on some skill. And if you're not familiar at all, then that's great, because in this video, I'm going to be breaking down incredible opportunities that you can learn Python as a beginner to be able to build on skill if you're a beginner, or just get started in learning what exactly Python is to attain an incredible skill that will set you up when it comes to engineering field. Python is ranked the most frequently used programming language worldwide, and that's being used by 51% of software developers globally, preceded only by JavaScript, HTML, CSS, which is about 50 or 62% of people. So a good understanding of programming language is useful to have whether or not you wish to pursue a technical career. Some people teach themselves skills such as, SQL or even Python. You can self-teach Python. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. So I think it's something that you definitely can learn from a professional, from reputable sources, as well as self-learn from sources as YouTube, all which we're going to talk about in this video. You might want to monetize the skill of Python to create apps as a side hustle. Other people, learn Python so they can embark on new careers, get promotions, or just switch careers. Some people, are learning Python to become, analysts in business, or analysts in data, or even technical project management. So skills put you in a position to boost your career. And so other people might opt into Python programming skills so they can build, build on other existing skill sets and expand their knowledge and expertise, in development, since any good developer needs to learn Python, in my opinion. Python is believed to be one of the, most high income skill to learn, a programming language to know. 2024 beyond has been for a little bit, considered to be in demand. So a lot of people are looking for it, especially in the tech industry, and people are just willing to pay for it. For example, like if you have Python if you're a Python developer, you're making between 110, 128, even more, depending on where you live, depending on how you negotiate your salary and different things like that. So I'm going to be talking about how to learn Python as a beginner in this video, just showing you where you can get resources. That's what my channel is about. My name is Flex. If you enjoy that kind of content, subscribe. Just giving you the resources where you can learn. So I'm not going to talk too much more about it. Just going to jump on my computer and look at these. Let's get started. All right, so at number one, we are looking at COD Academy. COD Academy is providing free Python courses that covers the basics as well as more advanced topics. And Python is general purpose, versatile, powerful programming language. And this course I think is incredibly great for beginners. You can learn Python 3 in this course. It's beginner friendly. It's a 26-hour course with a certificate that you can get after, and they break down here career path that you can go into after you complete this course: business intelligence, data analyst, all the way down to learning Raspberry Pi or different things that you can just go into. And it's an incredible course. So if you were to click here, you would get a deep dive into what exactly this course entails. It's 13 projects. So you're learning the basics in this course. There's quizzes involved, there's projects involved, there's articles that you can read and just learn more. And it's incredibly intuitive. And I just like the interface, and it flows well. A lot of people, over 2 million people, have taken this course. The prerequisites is none. You just got to get started. You just got to register and click start and get started. 23 hours if you pace yourself, you can get this thing done. If you're looking to learn a programming language that's flexible, easy to read, easy to learn, this is a course for you. So what you will learn in this course is being able to just simplify the code you write, as well as write Python 3 programs. So incredible course here, and it's free 99. All right, so next we have Google's Python class. This one is free course as well, but it's for people with a little bit of programming experience who want to learn Python. So this course includes written material, lecture videos, lots of code exercises to practice Python coding. So incredibly great stuff. You would get the opportunity to download the Python programming language. It's a zip file. You download it, you get it set up and everything, and just go through it. Intro, learning strings, learning lists, learning sorting, and different things of that sort. You can copy it, you can learn, create your own, and it's just great resource. They have videos that you can map to and just learn this thing all the way through. So this is one that I strongly encourage you. If you've been learning Python, say from YouTube, say from a class, this is a great resource to just have a home setup. That way you can build on skill and not just sit with it in your head and forget it, but just be practicing. So this is a great resource for that, Google's Python class. All right, so next is another juggernaut one, and it's from EdX. So they have introductory Python courses that can cover everything from the fundamental programming principles to advanced data structures and algorithms. And you learn so much from this resource because they have everything from everybody, right? They have data science with Python, the data and analysis and visualization bootcamp. They have everything. If you look at these, they have stuff from Harvard. They have their own built-in stuff from their professors, IBM. The list goes on and on and on. And check this out, it's completely free, self-paced, 3 to 9 hours per week, 10 weeks. You gotta enroll and just go ahead, take the course. It's in different languages. Man, it's an incredible resource, and I just hope people take advantage of these. If you wanted to learn this stuff, self-paced, pace yourself, take your time, set a schedule, put it on your calendar, build your life around it, learn it, upskill, and make the money at the end of it. So I'm not saying it's easy, but you just got to apply yourself. And this one is from EdX. So incredible resource that you can learn from a variety of different providers, IBM, Harvard, and EdX themselves. So link is down below in the description if you wanted to learn more about this one as well. This next one is from a company called Kle, and they have a free Python course here. It's 5 hours. And it's self-paced as well. Incredible resource that you learn a variety of different things. It's built primarily, I guess, say for people who, looking to get started using Python for data science. If you have some sort of previous coding experience and want to add to your Python experience, this course is incredibly great for you. The good thing about it is if you register and you sign up on their platform, you can use it right there. You don't need to download anything on your computer. You can just learn it right on their platform, on their resource, and it saves, it builds on everything for you. You come back later, you just continue from there. It's great stuff, introductory, and it's free, and it breaks it all down why they are teaching you what they're teaching you and why you're doing what you're doing. So you're not just copying codes and pasting, but you actually learning by failing and learning by doing it and understanding why you are typing or writing out what you are writing. So this one I really enjoy, and I would say if there was a resource in this entire list that you want to start with or that you want to pretty much just go to, is this one. So take advantage of this. The link is down below in the description, and this one is by Kle. We3 School also provides a variety of resources. They provide Python tutorials and resources that are beginner friendly and cover a variety of fundamental topics that you could literally just go to if you're working through a problem and want to troubleshoot, or just want to know what a term is, like Python casting or Python numbers or variables. You can go there and see examples and explanations. It's just very beginner friendly that you can use as well. And of course there is YouTube University. I always advise subscribing to technical educators on YouTube, this very platform, such as Corey Schaefer. I think it's one that I personally follow. Programming with Mars, Free Code Camp, or Free Code Camp, I believe it is. These people deliver incredible resources, not endorsing it one way or the other. It's just resources on YouTube. Everything is free, so take advantage of those as well. So these free resources enable you to learn Python on your own pace. You set your own pace, like I said, make it intentional, learn Python, become confident in your skills, through hands-on, build on what you know, learn the stuff, become somebody who is hireable, who is, desired by companies, and somebody who companies will pay. Become, practical in your experience. And whether you're beginning or not, or you are, incredibly advanced, it's a resource that I think would be helpful to any and everybody. So take advantage of these. The links are down below in the description. I enjoy making these videos. If you enjoy watching them, please leave a subscribe and a like, and let me know in the comments what you're looking for. Primarily expose you to opportunities in terms of internships, remote work, different things of that sort for people who are trying to break into various careers. So if you're into that, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. My name is Flex. Peace.